Introduction to DC-CAP EDI. EDI can be lot sometimes with different trading partners, documents coming and going, messages failing, certificates expiring. There is lot going on. The right EDI solution can make world of difference. And end-to-end one can prove to offer more value for your money. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up trading partners, secure your connections, manage messages, and see exactly what's happening at every step in DC-CAP's end-to-end EDI solution. DC-CAP EDI offers single means to ensure you are communicating well with your trading partners and ensuring your EDI data is updated in real time to the ERP. You have one unified platform where everything is organized and visible. When you log in to the DC-CAP EDI, you'll land on the project screen. Click the EDI tab on the left. This is where you can manage all your trading partners. Admins set up trading partners ahead of time, so formats, version, transaction type are all consistent. Pick a partner. For this example, we'll go with the Walmart. Now you are in partner management screen. You can see the partner's name, ID, format, version, AS2 ID, ISA ID, GSA ID, and partner AS2 URL. After creating a partner, you can generate an API key. It is shown once with the copy option, and both old and new keys remain valid. This key, along with the partner ID and name, is used for EDI integrations. Next, click Certificates. Certificates keep your communication secure. You will see all uploaded certificates with name, certificate ID, issuer, expiry, and status. Uploading a certificate is automatic. The system checks it, flags expiry once, and prevent deletion if a certificate is in use. Now, let's look at the connectors. Connectors control how your data flows to each partner. You can view existing ones or add a new connector. Enter the partner AS2 URL, choose the encryption algorithm and signing algorithm, and enable MDN configuration if needed. And just like that, your connection is secure and ready to exchange messages. This is the DC-CAP EDI profile. It's a system-generated local profile created automatically when a trading partner is added. It includes connector type, AS2 ID, AS2 URL, ISA qualifier, ISA ID, GSA ID, and the DC-CAP certificate. This profile represents DC-CAP during EDI communication and does not require manual configuration. In the Integrations tab, you can see all your EDI transaction in one place. For each transaction, you'll see the transaction workflow ID and whether the flow is inbound or outbound. That tells you exactly how the data is moving. Each transaction is linked to the workflow that controls what happens next. Inbound documents can flow straight into your ERP. Outbound documents can be sent automatically to your trading partners. You can add new transactions or update workflow mapping anytime without disturbing existing setup. The message section shows all your EDI communications in one place. Incoming AS2 messages appear in the inbox where you can see the sent messages, when it was received, and whether the MDN acknowledgement was completed. You can switch between the sent, queued, incomplete, and failed messages. So it's easy to track message status and identify issues. Filters and date options help you quickly find specific messages and manage issues faster. And The logs page give you the complete view of what happened behind the scenes. Here you can see detailed log for every inbound and outbound transaction with clear timestamp and the status at each step. You can search and filter logs by partner name or message ID, date range, or status, making it easy to find exactly what you are looking for. It presents both summary and step-level details, helping you quickly identify failed transactions and understand the root cause. This reduces the need to manually navigate CloudWatch logs and support faster, more efficient troubleshooting. Now, partners have three potential statuses. Pending means setup is not complete. Active means everything is ready to send and receive data. And inactive means partner is disabled and reactivation depends on setup completion. This level of visibility removes the guesswork and builds confidence in your EDI operation. That's DCCAP EDI, one platform to manage partners, messages, and transactions all in one place.